Experience cutting-edge technology and performance with the new S9S MAX MINI Drone, a compact yet powerful quadcopter designed for professional and recreational use. Packed with advanced features, this foldable drone is your ultimate aerial photography and videography companion. Key features: 4K HD dual cameras with 2-axis gimbal. Capture stunning, high-resolution photos, 3840 by 2160p, and smooth videos with electronic image stabilization (EIS) for professional-grade results. Laser obstacle avoidance. Navigate safely in complex environments with a laser obstacle avoidance head, optional, for added precision and security. Brushless motors. Equipped with 1503 brushless motors, the drone delivers powerful, quiet performance with reduced wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use. GPS plus 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Enjoy stable and fast real-time transmission for seamless FPV flying and video recording. GPS positioning ensures accurate flight paths and effortless return-to-home functionality. Portable design. Foldable and lightweight at just 218 grams, the drone is easy to carry, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and travel. Long flight time and extended range. Fly up to 21 minutes per charge, with a 7.4V 1600 mAh battery and enjoy a remote control range of up to 2 kilometers. Advanced gimbal and camera angles. The 2-axis gimbal offers tilt x -35 degrees to +35 degrees and roll y -100 degrees to +70 degrees angles, with an adjustable pitch of -85 degrees to 0 degrees, providing unparalleled flexibility for creative shots. Specifications: drone size, folding, 13 by 6 by 7.4 cm opening, 25 by 22 by 7.4 cm. Image transmission frame rate, 30 frames per second. SD card support, 32 GB to 128 GB, not included. Charging time, 3.5 hours. Material, durable engineering plastic. App compatibility, high-resolution photo and video settings for smooth operation via your smartphone. Why choose the S9S MAX MINI Drone? Whether you're a drone enthusiast or a beginner, this drone offers high-end features in a portable package. From breathtaking aerial photography to advanced safety features, the S9S MAX MINI Drone redefines the mini drone category. Take your drone adventures to the next level with the S9S MAX MINI.